Hey there, I'm Danielle, web and graphic designer bringing you tech tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd. If Trello isn't like your right arm, I'm sorry. I think I might lose my mind without Trello in my life. And if you're not using power-ups to make your boards work for you even more, then let's change that. So what is a power-up? A power-up is like a helping hand to a board, and it adds an additional feature to it. From things like repeating cards and linking to files on Dropbox or Google Drive, and so many more options. The following are my favorite Trello power-ups to add to my boards, which make them more efficient and puts them to work for me. Google Drive or respectively Dropbox, whichever one you use. Google Drive or Dropbox. This links to your respective account, and with this you can link a file to your card and with the click of your mouse have access to it right there at your fingertips. This would be great if you wanted to manage all of your freebies that you offer for your email opt-ins by setting them all in cards in a board. You could link the freebie as it's uploaded to Google Drive or Dropbox, link it to your card, and then you can easily add, update, edit, or remove them right from there. Or this would be amazing if you draft your posts on Google Drive, for example, and you can link to your post right there from your Trello board. The next one is the calendar. For those of you who want to use a board for your editorial calendar, you're going to love this. The calendar power-up simply takes all of your cards and your due dates that you've got listed for them, and it shows it to you in a calendar form, showing you what's due month by month. And in the calendar view, you can drag around your cards, and this updates your due date right on your card in your Trello board. Do note that it's not going to change the location that this card is at in your list, and it will not show you the cards that don't have a due date. The next one is custom fields. This one is a great way for you to easily add a custom field to a Trello card and see it right there in the list. This would be great, for example, if you wanted to manage a client contact information Trello board, all right there at your fingertips. Next one is butler or card repeater. This is your secret to automating your cards. This is great for when you have a weekly schedule board and you want to set a card for a recurring task every week. It's one less card that you have to worry about setting up, which saves you another step. The next one is processes for Trello. This is like your workflow tracker. If you have a process that you take clients through, for example, this is where you can track it. It's perfect for workflows that are repetitive, like drafting a blog post. It's also great if you have multiple team members that you collaborate with and work with to all manage in one place where the client is in the workflow. The next one's hourly. If you have limits on time, like client work being billed by the hour, then this is the power up for you. You track your time by the card, so you don't have to worry about logging into another app or program to track your hours there. The last one is Evernote. If you're a big fan of Evernote, you can use this power-up to add notes right to your cards directly in Trello. It saves you time from tracking A to B or looking around to find something that you're looking for, because it's all right there. Don't forget to subscribe down below for new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. Central. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.